We've got something special today. A country property packed with charm, privacy, and one of the most beautiful landscapes you'll see all season. Set on 11 plus scenic acres, this property delivers the kind of peaceful country lifestyle that feels increasingly hard to find. From the moment you arrive, the setting creates an immediate sense of calm, surrounded by open land, mature trees, and colorful gardens that completely transform with the seasons. The home itself offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, with a warm, rustic atmosphere throughout. Knotty pine walls add timeless character and create a cozy cabin-like feel that fits perfectly with the natural surroundings. Inside, the layout is comfortable and practical, designed for everyday living while maintaining that relaxed country charm. Radiant flooring in the living room adds extra comfort during colder months, while the separate laundry room provides additional functionality and convenience. One of the standout features is the large porch overlooking the property. It's the perfect place to start the morning with coffee, or unwind in the evening while taking in the quiet views and fresh air. But the real magic of this property happens outdoors. During spring and summer, the landscape comes alive with vibrant lilacs, roses, and flowering trees that bring color and texture to every corner of the acreage. The land offers a beautiful mix of open space and natural surroundings, making it ideal for gardening, recreation, hobby farming, or simply enjoying the privacy that comes with owning acreage. Additional outbuildings expand the possibilities even further. A spacious 24 by 24 garage provides excellent room for vehicles, workshop space, or storage, while multiple sheds, including a chicken coop and former pool pump house, add flexibility for future projects or hobbies. The in-ground pool area is currently filled in, but the infrastructure remains in place and offers potential for restoration with future improvements, including a new liner. This is more than just a home. It's a lifestyle property built around peace, outdoor living, and the simple beauty of the countryside. Whether you're looking for a quiet retreat, a hobby property, or a place to fully enjoy nature, this one offers a setting that truly stands apart.